Hey y'all, welcome to Simply Jan Homestead. Well, today's Shout Out Friday, yeah, and what a woo week it's been. My. Monday morning, we were greeted with 8 brand new puppies from our Border Collie Australian Shepherd, and they are adorable. Today, we're shouting out a fantastic channel. Y'all, you know, when I'm looking at channels, I watch the videos and I could have kept watching and watching and watching. This man has so much going on and so much information. It's mind-boggling. So the name of the channel is Kid Family Farm, LLC. Him and his family, his name's Matt, by the way. So you might want to go over and say, hey, Matt. And they have Kiko goats. I'm going to go down the list, y'all. They have so much going on. Kiko goats, turkeys, bees. They sell honey. Oh, my God. I'm going to put an order in. Angus cows and chickens, and they do gardening and composting. They have a small fruit orchard. And when I was watching, Matt has such a way of showing us things. So he was showing us how to roll a hay bale. And, you know, he made it look sort of easy, but it wasn't. But he said it wasn't. But he said it. But he rolled a hay bale. He's shown us about composting, drip irrigation, equipment repair. I mean, things I don't know about. And I know if I need a reference, I can go over here or contact Matt and say, hey, we're working on this. We don't have a tractor yet. I want that tractor, Matt. Anyway, it is a wonderful channel. He's got maple trees with problems just like we do. And I'm with you, Matt. Take them down. Take them down. They're pretty when they're pretty, but they rot real easy. So I just want to encourage you all to take some time, go click that thumbs up, subscribe, and share his videos because there is so much to learn. And he grass feeds and he'll finish them on grain, his beef, his cattle. And if you want to order it, I believe he's taking orders. And then he teaches you about fencing and keeping the fence cleared. My gosh, there is so much going on at their homestead. And I just want to encourage each and every one of you to go subscribe to his channel and see what's going on. So y'all, be blessed and love well.